Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Quiz. So let's start our current affairs of October 14, 2021. On this day, it is celebrated as World Standards Day. It is observed on 14th October every year to raise awareness among the regulators, industry and consumers to show the importance of standardization in the global economy. And also it is celebrated as World Sight Day. It is observed on second Thursday of October month. The aim of celebrating is to increase awareness about attention in vision impairment and blindness. The first question is, which of the following are the first team to qualify for World Cup 2022? The options are A. Russia, B. Japan, C. China and D. Germany. The correct answer is D. Germany. Germany are the first team to qualify for the 2022 World Cup. It is scheduled to take place in Qatar from 21 November to 18 December 2022. This will be the first World Cup ever to be held in the Arab world. It will be the second World Cup held entirely in Asia, whereas in 2002 it is held in South Korea and Japan. In addition, the tournament will be the last to involve 32 teams, with an increase to 48 teams scheduled for the 2026 in the US, Mexico and Canada. And the second question is, who among the following has become the joint highest wicket taken in IPL? The options are A. Ryan Bravo, B. Shardul Thakur, C. Harshal Patel and D. Tim Saudi. And the correct answer is C. Harshal Patel. Harshal Patel has now become the joint highest wicket taken in IPL. He has managed to account for 32 starts this year, IPL 2021. He has now equaled Ryan Bravo, who took 32 wickets in 2013. And the third question is, which of the following country was invited by International Energy Agency to become its full-time member? The options are A. Ireland, B. India, C. Switzerland and D. Vietnam. And the correct answer is B. India. International Energy Agency has invited India to become its full-time member. India in March 2017 became an associate member of International Energy Agency. The fourth question is, which of the following states have launched TSK Mentor program career guidance to students? The options are A. Delhi, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Punjab and D. Ladakh. The correct answer is A. Delhi. Delhi government launches TSK Mentor program to give career guidance to students and citizens from across the country. Can become mentors by registering on the TSK Mentors app. The app, which was developed by a team from Delhi Technological University, will connect students and mentors based on how their profile and interests align. Mentors can be from various professional backgrounds and between the age of 18 They will guide and support 2 to 5 students studying in Delhi government schools. They will help the students in their overall development and personality development by sharing their knowledge, skills, and expertise in various fields. The program will be of 2 to 6 months duration, 2 compulsory and 5 optional, 4 optional. The fifth question is Amit Khare, IAS 1985 batch, was appointed as the advisor to which of the following person? The options are A. President, C. Vice President, C. Prime Minister, and D. Home Minister. The correct answer is C. Prime Minister. Amit Khare, appointed as the advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Amit Khare retired as the Secretary of Higher Education on September 30, 2025. Amit Khare has been appointed as a contractual basis for 2 years. Amit Khare served as Secretary of HRD, Information and Broadcasting, I&B. The sixth question is who among the following has been chosen to the 4th Satyajit Ray Award? The options are A. Kodi Ramakrishna, B. B. Gopal, C. B. A. Raju, and D. Dr. D. Ramanand. The correct answer is B. B. Gopal. Renowned Telugu filmmaker B. Gopal has been chosen for the 4th Satyajit Ray Award. He will be presented with the award on October 13, 2021 in Hyderabad. B. Gopal has directed 2 Hindi movies and 30 Telugu movies in his decade-long career. 2 Hindi movies by Gopal include Kanon Apna Apna and Insaf Ki Awaaz. Gopal has won a Filmfare Award for Best Director 1999 for Samarsimha Reddy and a Nandi Award for Best First Film of a Director for Pratidhwani in 1986. Satyajit Ray Award is an award instituted by the Satyajit Ray Film Society, Kerala. The Satyajit Ray Award includes 10,000 cash prize, plaque, and a memento. The 7th question is who among the following was chosen for the first Akkitam Achyutan Nampoothiri Award? The options are A. M.T. Vasudevan Nair, B. Hariharan, C. O.N.B. Group, and D. B.M. Kashi. The correct answer is A. Vasudevan Nair. M.T. Vasudevan Nair chosen for the first Akkitam Achyutan Nampoothiri Award for his contributions to arts, culture, and literature over the last 6 decades. The award was in memory of Akkitam Achyutan Nampoothiri. The award carries a cash prize of 1 lakh, citation, and a plaque. The 8th question is which of the following country launched the first automated and driverless train of the world? The options are A. USA, B. Japan, C. China, and D. Germany. The correct answer is D. Germany. Germany launched the first automated and driverless train of the world. The self-driving train was launched in the city of Hamburg. These trains will start carrying passengers from December on the existing rail infrastructure. This project is being developed by Siemens and Deutsche Bahn. The project is part of a 60 million euros modernization of rapid urban rail system of Hamburg. These trains can transport up to 30% more passengers, improving the punctuality. These trains save more than 30% of energy. So, the train is controlled by digital technology, fully automatic. And going to the sports news, Chung Won Choi elected unopposed for a fifth full term as World Taekwondo President. He was elected with 129 of the 131 votes at this year's General Assembly. Asiatic Lioness IBHA unveiled as official tournament mascot for FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup representing Nadi Shakti. IBHA is a strong, playful, and charming Asiatic lioness to inspire women and girls across India and across the world to realize their potential. FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup 2022 will take place in India from 11 to 30th October. The Multidimensional Poverty Index 2021 Multidimensional Poverty Index 2021 was released by UNDP and OPHI. 1.3 billion people are multidimensionally poor. Around 644 million are children under the age 18. 85% of them live in sub-Saharan Africa or South Asia, 532 million. Scheduled tribe group in India, which accounts for 9.4% of the population, is poorest. Out of 129 million people, 65 million are living in multidimensional poverty. Out of 283 million scheduled caste group people, 94 million are living in multidimensional poverty. The Multidimensional Poverty Index was launched by UNDP and OPHI in the year 2010. MPI uses 3 dimensions and 10 indicators including education, health, standard of living. And coming to the one-liners today, Drugs Controller General of India approves Covaxin for children between 2 to 18. IFFCO Chairman Sardar Balwinder Singh Nakai passes away recently. Alexander Schellenberg has been appointed as new Chancellor of Austria. Former SBI Chairman Rajneesh Kumar has joined the board of Bharat Pay of Chairman. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home.